Welcome to today's customers training. In this training, we're going to show our customers how a $5 million per year company makes money and get customers 100% free. It's going to be totally beginner friendly, step by step. Anyone can do it from anywhere on the planet and from any experience level. And if you are new to this channel, then this video was originally for our customers as a paid training, but we decided to upload it on YouTube so everyone else can learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. So please give us a little motivation, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter in order to help others and help us with our goal of helping 100 million people in the next 10 years learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. So everything in this video is completely free. Our softwares are free. Links are in the description. These softwares will make you money. You are looking at one of them on your screen right now. First of all, start with money motivation. You see here $121,666.46. This is completely passive affiliate commission from one of our Warrior Plus account. Now money looks awesome, but this is the most important number here, the number of hops. So what is hops? Hops are the clicks on our affiliate links by the visitors who consumed our content like this video. And yes, we are not ashamed to say we make videos in order to make money online. So when we make videos, we focus on helping people solve their problem, get the answers they're looking for. And here is the kicker: on our other 20 plus channels, we don't use cameras and microphones. We use our artificial intelligence software Epic, and you are looking at the dashboard, the user dashboard of Epic. Oh, by the way, Epic is also free. Link is in the description. You can grab Epic right now and start using it. So Epic is an artificial intelligence software. It helps us make videos without using camera and microphone, and it helps us make videos using image, just like this image, and texts. In fact, the video that we are showing you, this is going to be another video using Epic, and this video will be available on Epic users account. So once you get access to your Epic account and you start a new video, click this add new button. You can start as a fresh campaign with this create button, or you can click this drop down menu and access to all our videos 100% free, completely done for you. Now these videos are basically templates. You can use them as is. You can add your own tweaks, your own elements, more sections if you want, your own voiceover if you want. Oh, talking about voiceover, with Epic you don't need to use your own voiceover and you don't need to write your own text. Go to the text section, click the text generator, put any text, copy it and paste it from anywhere on the internet. Put it here and click any of these buttons and the AI will rewrite the text for you. That will be your text. No copyright infringement. Now take that text and go to the audio section and go under text to audio, click this add button, put your text here, click the submit button, and immediately your natural sounding voiceover is ready. How cool is that? And here is the best part. This is what I say the best. The bite-sized videos. Can we see that on the right hand side? These little clips can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long, and we make multiple clips. Each section represents each topic, and then we save a campaign, we go to other work, we come back when we are free, add another section, and when we are finished with the video, happy with the video, simply click the render button and the video is ready. So with our videos, our templates, you can add your own text, your own voiceover, natural sounding text to voiceover. It's your choice, but Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go start today. So for us, we make videos to get customers, but this website seems to be doing really well even without video. The work-at-home-woman.com looks like it's a $2 million to $5 million company per year, and this is their total visitors per month, 337,000 visitors per month. From this image, you can compare from 104,000 visitors. If we could make $121,000 in passive affiliate commissions, then definitely they would make minimum 3 times money from this amount. Now, it can be much more than that using multiple strategies, and that's why they're showing $2 million to $5 million revenue. All right, let's get back to how you get customers. If you look at the analytics, is they have a lot of social traffic, and 58% of their social traffic, I mean half of their social traffic, come from Pinterest. Pinterest is a simple website like this where you can upload your pins or images and link your website or any link you want with these images. And Pinterest users know that these images contain some link. So when the topic is interesting to them, let's say how to write a business plan step by step, I will click here and I will look around. If I'm interested, I will either click on this link to visit the content and read the content, learn from it. And once I'm happy with the content, I see that it's valuable content, I like it, and I want to know more about what they have to say, I will check what offers they have. And this is how people sell without selling, by giving away awesome and helpful, valuable content, and just add a simple button. Hey, if you want to get ultimate online business planning toolkit, it's $37. Just click here, buy now. Do you think it's really selling? No, it's not. It's giving value upfront, helping people with the information they need upfront. Just the exact same thing we are doing with our videos and the videos we make using Epic. So yes, you can make videos if you are okay with it using your camera and microphone, or you can use Epic. Epic will help you. Epic is free, link is in the description. By the way, we made Epic look a lot like MS or Microsoft presentation or Google Slides because a lot of people have a habit of using them. But those softwares don't give you the benefits of adding your own voiceover or adding voice from text, and those softwares don't really make videos for you. Now let's get back to you getting traffic and customers from Pinterest. Okay, one point here. Pinterest has around 1 billion. It's a B for boy. Oh boy. Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors, and they are well known as recurring customers. So investing your time on Pinterest is what? Now, how do you get traffic from Pinterest? It's very, very simple. Look at this image right here. It's a step-by-step process. On your account, on the left-hand side, click on this create drop-down menu. From there, click the create pin option. Step number 3, put your URL, whatever your website URL is, or the content URL that is related to the image you're going to add in the next step. And yes, so next step, you should add an image, and I already showed you how the images can be. It's very simple, just there is a background and there is a text. But in case you are totally beginner and you need help with creating this kind of images, link in the description will give you a free software, free graphic design software with all these templates that you can create in a few clicks and use and get results. And finally, add a little text about your topic or the pin or the image, and then use this save button or this save button. No, not this one. This save button to save your pin. Will you get traffic immediately? The honest truth is no. It's just another social media website. So you have to engage with others. By the way, don't worry if you have zero idea about Pinterest. Link in the description. We will put a step-by-step training for beginners to get customers and traffic from Pinterest without experience, without technical knowledge, and from anywhere in the world, from any experience level. Get that training from the link below and start today. But there is a problem. It seems everything is easy, but there are some problems. All are easy problems, but there are problems that you need to face in order to get results and make money. So the problem here is you need a blog or a website, because without blog or a website, where are you going to send your customers to? Direct linking to affiliate links is not a wise choice, because a lot of these websites like Pinterest don't like affiliate promotions or affiliate links directly from their website. And in a lot of cases, sometimes the offers you're promoting, the creators or the sellers of that offer stop that offer. So even if you're getting a lot of traffic from your pins and your work, because your link is not working, you stop making money. All your effort will go in vain. So the best of the best solution is use a website that's reliable. Besides, creating a website is not really easy and not really beginner friendly. And this is why we created Maven. Maven is free, link is in the description. With Maven, you can create your own website with just a URL from other people. Yes, from other people's website, you can create your own website just in a few clicks, under 3 minutes. And it's going to be 100% legal. We're going to add a detailed demo of how Maven works immediately at the end of the video. So all the problems are solved. We make money using video, but you don't need to use camera and microphone. Even we don't use cameras and microphone. We use our software Epic, and you can get Epic for free from the link in the description. Start today. But there is another way. I mean, in this video, we covered another way to get all these customers so you can make money. And we learned this from a $5 million per year company that gets 337,000 visitors per month. And we found they get a lot of traffic, visitors, customers from a website called Pinterest. Pinterest has 1 billion visitors per month, and most of them are customers. And getting customers from Pinterest is very easy. There's only 5 steps involved. And in case you don't know about Pinterest, we have a step-by-step course on how to get traffic from Pinterest from the link in the description. It's completely free. But the problem is you still need a website. And website is not easy. You need domain, you need hosting server, you need content, high quality content, and all the features on the website to actually start making money from the website. And we solved all these problems with Maven. With Maven, you can create your own website from other people's websites URL without copyright infringement, 100% legally, money-making website in under 3 minutes. Maven is also free. To start, link is in the description. And let me show you how Maven works right now. Let us make an awesome Magic Mouse article using our software Maven. First, click the Add Blog button. Copy the URL address or the link of the content we want to hijack from, paste it here, click Create button. And the whole content is loaded. Boom. Add a blog title. Let's first change the blog image. Click Upload and select one of the images we have in our hard drive, and the image is changed. Let's format the text to match our taste a little bit, make it bold. Select this text and make it italic to look nicer. Let's put this part of the text in the center. I'm just showing you what's possible to do with Maven. Now select this text and add a link. Let's consider this is our affiliate link, just for an example. Select this URL or the link and paste it right here and make it open a new window. Just one click and the link is added. This is the link that will make us money. Let's change this text into headline 3. Looks good. Click the save button when we are happy with the formatting. Now the full content is loaded here in the left side, but this is not our content, and that's why we are using this yellow button to use our artificial intelligence to rewrite the whole content and make it ours. And now everything you see is unique and it's ours. We can use it as our own, and you can add more elements by clicking this plus button and add elements from here. Let's add a video. Click on this button, copy the URL of this video and paste it here. Then select the place where you want to add the video, click the add button, and the video is added inside the content. Super cool, right? Let's add some more image, and this time we want to use Google CC. No, I changed my mind. Let's use Pixabay. Click Pixabay button and search with your search string. In this case, we're gonna put Apple Magic Mouse and click search. We have all these different options automatically, 100% free images, just one click and the image is added inside the content. Why not add another image to make it nicer using Google CC? Search with Apple Magic Mouse. Click the search button. All these options, all these images are 100% free to use. Click any of them, your choice, and add it. Whenever you are happy with the content, click the save button and it's saved. Now this section is completely optional, but this is good for search engine optimization. Fill in this form with relevant information. Click any of these 2 buttons. We want to publish right now, and it's published, it's done. To check the content, click this view button, and here is your beautiful article created in under 3 minutes without writing a single content. You can always go back and edit as you wish. So did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And we want to help 100 million people in the next 10 years learn the same, and you can participate in this noble mission. So hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, and especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter, etc. and let everybody know about it. They will love you, they will follow you for sharing awesome information, and they will also get access to our softwares for free. Because you shared awesome helpful information with them, they will love you, follow you, and eventually they will become your first customers and clients. This is how we make money, sharing value in advance, and people look for us to buy from, and it will happen to you. So go ahead, like, share, and if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.